One option for setting up your virtual lab is going to be Oracle VirtualBox. So in order to download that, go ahead and go to www.virtualbox.org. And then go ahead and select the downloads link. And then select the latest version for x86 and 64 Windows hosts and select Run. Now the installation for this is very straightforward. Just click Next, then Next again, then Yes, and then click Install. Once the installation is completed, select Finish, and that will launch the VirtualBox application. And then to create a new VirtualBox, select New, and then go ahead and type in the name of the new virtual machine. So in this case, we'll do Ubuntu host. You can also select the type of operating system and the specific version of the operating system. Then select Next, and the memory size will actually automatically adjust based on the requirements of the virtual machine you're trying to create and your host system amount of RAM. So just go with the default, select Next, and then create a virtual hard drive now. And then select the hard drive type. We can go ahead and go with the default of VDI. And then selecting dynamically allocated. And that'll automatically adjust the size of the hard drive up to the limit that you specify here. And then go ahead and select Create Hard Drive Now. And there you have your virtual machine. One of the advantages of Oracle VirtualBox over VMware is that you can manage as many virtual machines from this interface as you'd like. Now to start setting up this virtual machine, we'll go ahead and select Settings. And then a bunch of different options here. We'll go ahead and start with Storage. And here we can set our ISO to our IDE controller so that we can boot from it and start the installation process. So we'll choose a virtual disk and then browse to the directory that you have saved all of your different operating system ISOs. And in this case, we'll go ahead and install the Ubuntu 11.10 desktop. Under Network, there's a number of different options. You can select different types of adapters. For our case, network address translation is the best choice. Then also here you can choose different USB devices that you want to push through to the virtual machine. And then select OK. And now that we've set our ISO, we can go ahead and double click on the virtual machine and it will start the installation process. So that is how to install Oracle VirtualBox as one option for setting up your virtual penetration testing lab.